Have you ever tried to open an iPhone photo on your computer, only to find that it simply won't open? Why is Windows so unfriendly to HEIC files in the first place? Stick around, you're about to get the answers. Hey everyone, welcome back to 4D Dig. Today we're diving into how to fix the issue where Windows can't read HEIC photos from your iPhone. In short, HEIC is a space-saving photo format introduced by Apple. You can think of it as a compressed image file smaller in size, but without any loss of clarity. Therefore, it's also the popular format generated by default on Apple devices. But the problem is that Windows doesn't support HEIC out of the box. You need an extra decoder before your system can recognize it. But don't worry if you haven't installed anything yet. Let's start with the first method. Method 1. Add HEIF image extension. This is basically a little plugin that allows Windows 10 and 11 to recognize HEIC files. You can download it from the Microsoft Store on your computer. In the search bar, type HEIF image extensions. Click Get to Download and install it. Once it's installed, just double-click any HEIC file, and Windows should open it in the Photos app like normal. If not, don't worry, try the next method. Method 2. How to recover damaged HEIC files. If your photos are corrupted during transfer, or if there's a problem backing them up from your iPhone, even with the HEIF extension installed, the corrupted files may not open. No problem. The 4D Dig file repair tool can help. It's a professional tool that can fix corrupted photos or videos, including HEIC files, and make them viewable again. After downloading, select Photo Repair in the left sidebar. Drag the corrupted HEIC files into the program and click Repair All. Wait a few seconds. Boom! In just moments, your photos are repaired and ready to preview. Don't forget to save them to a suitable location. And if you feel that the photo quality can be improved, 4D Dig also has AI enhancement features. Just go back to the home page, click AI Enhancer, then Photo Enhancer, and you can instantly upgrade your photos' quality. It's that simple, corrupted HEIC files no longer have to be a headache. Method 3. Alright, there's another easy option. Convert the HEIC file into a more universal format, like JPG or PNG. You can try a third online website. A reliable option I recommend is Cloud Convert. It's fast, free for small batches, and doesn't mess up your image quality. Let's see how it works. Go to the Cloud Convert website. Select HEIC as the input format and choose JPG or PNG as the output format. Upload your HEIC file. Click Convert. Wait a moment, and download your converted image. And that's it, your file is now fully compatible with Windows. Be careful while choosing the free tools to edit or convert the HEIC file, because some low-quality tools may cause HEIC file corruption. Anyway, always remember the 4D Dig file repair when you need photo repair. If it helps, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I would be very grateful if you subscribed. And stay tuned for our next video.